Hey, welcome back to Lehitro Bank. My name is Adam. Businesses everywhere are facing the same challenge. Too much data, too many manual tasks, and not enough time. But a new shift is happening. It is called intelligent process automation, and it is changing the way modern companies work. Today, you will see how IPA works, why it is trending globally, and how even a small business or a solo entrepreneur can use it to create fast, smart, and adaptive workflows. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what IPA is, you will know how to implement it yourself, and you will also learn why experts call it the future of smart work. Let's begin. Intelligent Process Automation, or IPA, is the next generation of automation. It combines traditional automation, robotic process automation, RPA, artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, analytics, document understanding technologies. In simple words, IPA goes far beyond automating repetitive tasks. It automates decision-based tasks that normally require human interpretation. Why is this becoming a major global trend right now? Because businesses today work with huge amounts of structured and unstructured data. Emails, PDFs, type forms, handwritten scans, customer messages, and system logs. Traditional automation cannot handle this complexity. IPA fills this gap. It can read, understand, process, analyze, and act on data with far more accuracy and speed. This dramatically reduces manual work, improves consistency, lowers errors, and increases the ability to respond quickly. This makes IPA a powerful tool for modern businesses in fast-changing environments. IPA builds on standard RPA, but adds intelligence. Here is what makes it different. 1. It can understand unstructured data. Emails, scanned documents, free text fields. IPA uses OCR, NLP, and AI models to interpret these inputs accurately. 2. It can make context-aware decisions. Instead of following rigid rules, IPA evaluates data, checks patterns, and chooses the best action. 3. It learns and improves over time. Using machine learning, IPA becomes more accurate as it processes more data. 4. It automates complete end-to-end workflows. Instead of isolated tasks, IPA connects systems, departments, approvals, and databases to create a complete automated pipeline. With this intelligence, automation evolves from fixed bots for fixed rules to adaptive workflows that understand and respond to real-world data. This is a major shift. Now let us see where IPA is already delivering results. These examples are highly relevant if you run a business in finance, HR, operations, or customer support. 1. Finance and accounting. IPA can read invoices and receipts, extract data from PDFs, auto-enter details into accounting tools, flag exceptions, validate vendor information. Some businesses report accuracy levels close to 99%. This reduces hours of manual work and improves compliance. 2. HR, operations, and administration. IPA helps automate employee onboarding, document collection, data extraction, form processing, internal workflows, approvals. Paper-heavy processes become faster, error-free, and more efficient. 3. Customer service and compliance. IPA can read customer messages, classify support tickets, auto-respond where possible, route cases to correct teams. For industries with strict compliance requirements, IPA provides security, consistency, and a complete audit trail. If a business deals with data, documents, decisions, or multi-step workflows, IPA can transform how it runs. You do not need a large enterprise budget to use IPA. Here is a simple and practical way to get started. Step 1. Identify repetitive or manual workflows. Common examples include invoice processing, customer inquiries, data entry, form submissions, document verification. Mark the tasks where you spend the most time. Step 2. Choose the right mix of automation plus AI. You can use RPA for repetitive tasks, OCR/NLP for document reading, ML models for decision logic. Many IPA platforms combine all of these in one place. Step 3. Map your workflow end to end. Define the complete journey. Input, processing, decision, action, exception handling. This blueprint helps you automate the full process, not just one step. Step 4. Run, monitor, improve. IPA becomes smarter with use. Track processing time, error frequency, exceptions, bottlenecks. Adjust rules or retrain AI components as needed. Step 5. Expand gradually. Once your first workflow succeeds, add more. Soon, you will build a full automation system across HR, finance, customer support, or operations. The key is to start small and scale steadily. IPA is being called the future of smart workflows for 4 major reasons. 1. End-to-end automation, not just one task, but entire business processes. 2. Ability to handle unstructured data. It works with real-world data instead of only structured forms. 3. Scalability and adaptability. Workflows adapt as the business grows or changes. 4. Human productivity boost. Repetitive work shifts to machines. Humans focus on creative and strategic work. In a data-intensive world, this evolution is essential. To summarize, intelligent process automation is a major leap forward from traditional automation. It blends RPA and AI to create workflows that are fast, accurate, and adaptive. Small businesses and solo entrepreneurs can start today with simple workflows that grow over time. If you want to stay efficient, competitive, and lean in the modern business world, IPA is not optional. It is becoming standard. If you found this helpful, do like the video and subscribe for more deep dive content on AI and automation. And tell me in the comments, which workflow in your business do you want to automate first? Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.